Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have one of these Acadia or GMC key fobs and it's saying battery low or the battery has died, it's pretty easy to replace the battery. You need an Energizer 2032. This was a 2-pack since I've already replaced the other remote, but it's pretty simple. What you do is you get your emergency key out, which is the button that's right there on the side, and then you're going to kind of have this little groove here. You can use a flat head screwdriver, or I like using a butter knife just because it's a little bit of a broader tip, and you just basically put it in there, give it a little twist, and then that will open the fob up for you. And then you have your battery is right here. So take note of the orientation of the battery, where it's basically facing in there, and then you can just lift that battery up. And then if you look at the reverse side, that's the plus side, so it's going to be the plus side down. So let's get that here. We'll get this new battery out. We'll open this up, and then again, make sure you have the plus side down, which is going to be this side. So just slide it in, and then what we're doing is we're just going to put this key fob together and just give it a good squeeze. Make sure everything snaps into place, and then that is how you fix your key fobs with a new battery. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.